How are we doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this exciting BMW 1 Series 118D M Sport 5-door. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in the grey metallic finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper with the front parking sensors. Coming around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres and the M Sport badging both on the tyre and side of the car. The black trim surrounding the windows with the shark fin on top and the rear spoiler. If you come around to the back, you have the debadged look to give it that more sportier feel. Yeah, folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now that we're inside, folks, you notice the BMW multifunctional M Sport steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, a sports plus mode, and a comfort and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW iDrive system, the manual M Sport transmission, the manual handbrake, this car is equipped with the driver comfort pack, the M Sport suspension, the BMW emergency call system, the extended storage, the LED headlights, the cruise control with the brake function, rain sensors, parking distance control, Bluetooth hands-free set. The interior comes in a black cloth with the blue M Sport stitching, surrounded by the platinum trim finish. All windows are fully electric. The automatic lights are included and many other extras. And that's just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 1 Series 118i M Sport 5-door. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.